Wanted to show you how you could use StatCrunch to quickly calculate the correlation coefficient rather than having to go through the long calculations that are listed in our textbook. First, I'm going to share an example question from the homework. So here's our question. We have both the cost and the amount of protein in several sandwiches. And part C asks us to obtain the correlation between cost and protein. By clicking the small little icon here beside the table, you get a list of things that you can do with it. So click Open in StatCrunch, and you get a pop-up window that shows the same data in StatCrunch. In order to calculate the correlation between cost and protein, we just need to go to Stats, Summary Stat, Correlation. We get a pop-up box that asks us for some information. We can choose the two variables that we want correlated, hitting Shift in order to be able to choose all the ones in between, or Control to just get the ones we click on. So we put both of our variables in the list, and we click Compute. And it actually gives us the value of the correlation coefficient. Usually you'll just have to round this number off to 2 or 3 decimal places, depending on what's asked for in the StatCrunch question. And we can see here, they just asked for 2 decimal places, and we got the 0.85 that's listed here in the answer key. So this will give you the option to quickly answer these questions without having to do a lot of calculations.